So we've got some samples here that we've picked up from B&Q. We're just going to put them on the outside of the van and see what we think. Very low tech, but let's give it a go. We're just putting these on the van. As I said, it's quite a low tech technique. Low tech, is that the phrase?
It's not even tech.
There's a lot of imagination having to be used, but we're basically just putting these on the van. I think we're going to go for this one, so now it's just a case of trying to order this colour online in the Combicolor paint that we're trying to use. So first things first is sanding the van, 220 grit sandpaper. And yep, it's about to rain, we're about to sand the van, so that's the first job. So part of the job, as well as sanding, that we've got to do first, taking all the bits off, so the registration plate, taking these letters off over here with a heat gun, and we're also experimenting on what we need to get this glue stuff off, and then also the bike rack, of course, is going to come off as well.
Made quite a bit of progress. Bike rack's gone, we've got all of our little bits and pieces off, like the Ducato badge and the Ducato letters. License plate's gone, and we're still on the, what is it, 220 grit paper. It's doing a really nice job.
Hello down there! Okay, so after many hours of sanding, prepping, the van's ready to be painted. We've built a weird little lean-to canopy just to keep insects and falling debris off the van. We've got our utensils. Time to get started, I think. We're using the little roller. Need a bit of work when you get the paint on there, but the finish looks fairly professional, I have to say. So we're thinking probably end up doing a few coats, a little bit of sanding in between. Is to leave that white strip at the top, don't do the roof. Thinking it might add a bit of class to the final. Yeah. Yeah, with the black bumper as well. First coat's on the van. Got some extra fine 600 grit sandpaper, give it a bit of a wet sand, and then after that's all done we can give it another coat.